Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a coffee and a donut. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw the coffee. First, the plastic cup like this. I draw a delicious whipped cream on the top. And a straw. Now let's draw a delicious donut on the side. Let's draw a small oval shape, which is the middle of the donut. Then I draw the rest with some icing. Now let's draw some cute faces for our coffee and donuts. I draw two cute eyes on the cup. And a smiling mouth. Then I draw two cute eyes again for the donut. And a mouth. They look delicious! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color the coffee with light brown. I leave the whipped cream white. For the straw, I used light purple. And I color the plastic cup with this marker. For the top of the donut, I used pink. For the small sugary parts, use the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Finally, I color the rest with light brown. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.